Inspectors and demolition crews are back on site where a historic building partially collapsed in downtown Mount Airy. Right now, several shops and roads surrounding the heart of downtown remain closed for people's safety. It all started early yesterday morning when a police officer spotted bricks falling from the building. Fox 8's Lauren Crawford is live outside the road closure surrounding the Main Oak Emporium. So, Lauren, do we know if the entire building is going to come down today?
Yeah, Cindy, well, that's the big question this morning is how much of the Main Oak Emporium will be preserved, if any. Crews out here this morning tell me that they are still waiting on a game plan, but they will be taking down more of the historic building. All of the rain last night delayed some of the work. Now, crews finally started knocking down part of the structure last night around 9 o'clock. Mount Airy officials say a demolition company is tearing down the facade of the building. They're working to safely reopen streets and sidewalks as soon as later on today. The front of the building facing North Main Street looks like it is barely attached if you're looking at it from certain angles. And a support beam is hanging out of the left side of the building if you're facing the Main Oak Emporium on North Main Street. And hundreds of bricks and remnants that crumbled yesterday morning surround the 100-year-old plus building, and the people of Mount Airy and shop owners tell Fox 8 that the historic building, they're sharing mixed emotions seeing all of this.
Scale catastrophes are not unknown to places like Mount Airy or most small towns. It's how the community adapts and overcomes in the face of that adversity.
It's the emptiness for downtown. I mean, you can stand even at an angle on the other side of the tape and see the sky right through the windows on the first floor or on the top floor. And it's just heartbreaking.
You're taking a live look right now at what we're seeing outside right here on North Main Street. You see all of the bricks, and if we pan up a little bit, you can see that beam hanging out of the left side of the building. An inspector did tell us that they do plan on knocking down the front wall. We are still waiting that confirmation later on today, and we could see a fence out here surrounding just a smaller area than what's blocked off right now so that some of these shops can reopen. But again, we are continuing to reach out to city officials, and we'll update you as we learn more. Live in Mount Airy this morning, Lauren Crawford, Fox 8 News.